thank you. I got my dual vipers back.
Dang.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go in. This gigantic door. Kill them all! Bang, 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 bang. Oh,
I steal lighthouse from little baby.
ship! Ship!
Puma.
Dude, spaceship. Bogus.
Is it good or bad?
It's a bad thing. Have you ever known a big evil ship to be good? I killed 53. How many did you kill?
20.
You suck. Give me a gummy bear.
Yeah, I do.
I eat gummy bears. I like gummy bears.
Fingers are good.
Locate the Puma. Now the Puma's the tank out front.
I'm sure it was made out of gummy bears.
Yeah, would eat you.
Yeah, I know. I would eat me.
I'm so happy that I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Hold on, let me buy more ammo. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Leviathan!
Die.
Oh, that one's so bad. I expected more.
It's supposed to be all big and scary. Yeah.
Alright, watch out, turn. Come on, hit it. Ah! Now! Come on! Stupid EMP. Okay, now shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! We got it cool. Alright, we got it.
Whoever's gonna reach level 4.
Hold on.
Ah.
Stay alive. Okay, I'll hack the doors this time. You defend me. Boing. 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 Okay, that's one.
Alright.
Hacking.
Defending.
Hacking.
Defending. Defending.
Hack.
Defend.
Alright, let's go. Done. Done.
Ah.
We need to find you some health. Let's go. Ah, more of these things.
Die. Die.
Whoa, Leviathan.
Again. Again.
Okay, another max nanotech increase. Let's go.
Yeah.
Shoot him. Shoot him. Alright. Hey, look, 2 swing shot orbs. You want to go first? Almost lost. Hold on, we gotta turn. Now, go, 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 go. Alright, good job. Watch out. Alright, you wanna hack it or you want me to?
Oh, man.
I'll defend you as best as I can.
Yeah. I'm a hacker.
Awesome.
That makes me a nerd. Yeah.
Awesome. Let's go. Now do this one. I don't care what anybody says, I like this game. Hurry up.
Apparently other people
Whoa.
do too, if you want to see a walkthrough.
Let's go, let's go, let's go. To the Puma!
To the Puma!
And now we have our... This is my favorite. Whoa, dude, we tied.
Holy crap, that's never happened before.
Oh.
31 to 31.
Nice.
Very nice. Fabulous. Fabulous. Or in Vegan's case, you'd be like, fabulous.
Be nice, you jerk.
Well, it's true.
Okay. Just like the last one. I control the machine guns and the car itself, while Festus controls the tank, or the missiles. Let's go! Whoa!
It was like, boom!
Dun, dun. Oh, yes, this has a horn. I'm actually a really good driver with this thing. Let's go. Zoom. Dude, Leviathan in front of us. I just hit it. It's dead. Whoa. Click the cogs. Now there's 3. Yeah, there's only 3 cogs we have to turn. Watch out. Oh, it's dead. dead.
Ah.
Ah! Now
Die.
it's dead. Okay, now you can take the Puma in here, but we're not going to, just for fun. We're gonna park it here. Get out. Let's go.
Ah.
Alright, now there's gonna be a spider tank in here, so watch out. Ow! Just hit me. Dude, Leviathan. Ah! Great, I'm almost dead. Alright, hang on. Let me hit it with this thing. Watch out! Ow! Oh, wait. Ah, come on. Now. Oh, it doesn't matter. Watch out.
Nothing really matters.
I'll turn the crank. Defend me.
Defending.
Oh, no!
Turn that crank.
No.
Turn that crank.
Defend me better. Alright, that's one. Kill everything, then we can go back to the car. Okay, let's go. Back to the Puma. All my speed boots. Alright, let's go.
Hey! Hey! Get back! Don't leave
Never!
me! Don't leave me here! Ah! Fine, then I have your dual vipers. Hey, get back! Where'd you go? Ah! God.
Alright.
Hey, no!
Okay, come on in.
Haha!
I wasn't trying it. Let's go. Alright, now let's jump this. Let's get a good thing going here. Let's go. Zoom. Alright. Put the car on the vehicle pad. Let's move. Let's go. Hey, cool. I got my dual vipers back.
Ah!
Boom. You turn the crank this time.
Okay.
I defend better than you do. Whoa.
Clank. Turn the crank.
Yes, clank. Nah.
It's like Dr. Seuss because it rhymes.
Yeah.
Ow!
Oh, crap. Sorry. My bad. Come on. Got it?
Yeah.
Alright, there's one more. Leviathan.
Die.
Alright, is that all?
Why can't we just call it a scorpion? That makes it much easier.
Fine, a scorpion.
Oh wait, no, you drive. Puma.
You don't want to drive?
No.
Fine.
You know how bad of a driver I am. Hey, come back!
Come back.
Oh my god, I hate you so much.
Alright, I'm coming back.
Yeah.
Oh, that was kind of cool.
Damn.
Just catch you. It's like how that movie Wanted. That was cool.
Whoa, that was cool.
She just went zoom and knocked him into it. And one more. Let's jump.
Whoa.
Alright, let's park it. Let's go. Yes, we know we can take it in with us, but we don't care. I got it. Ow! Jerk. Defend me!
Defending.
Do better!
I am.
No, you're not. I keep getting hurt.
Prove it.
I've been hurt twice!
Prove it.
I have wounds!
Throw it.
What? Let's go. Boing. Floor it?
No, don't floor it.
Floor it?
No.
Floor it.
No.
Alright, now let's make our way back to the Leviathan's lair.
Get along, Mr. Slave.
Don't start that.
I had a dream about you.
Don't
last
finish it.
night.
Don't finish it. Boom, boom, boom.
Hey, where you going?
Okay, let's go. That looked really funny. Let's go. Ready to jump it? Ready to jump it?
Yeah.
Yeah! Woo!
We pwn.
Yes.
We pwn it.
I killed 58, you killed 36.
Wow.
You suck.
You suck.
And now on to the boss battle.
Oh, terrific. Can't wait for a boss battle.
Oh,
I steal lollipops from little baby.
ship!
Woman.
Dude, spaceship. Those.
Well, is it good or bad?
It's a bad thing. Have you ever known a big evil ship to be good? I killed 53. How many did you kill? Thank you. I got my dual vipers back.
Hey.
Let's go. Okay. Let's go in. This gigantic door. Kill them all! Kill 20! You suck. Give me a gummy bear.
Yeah, I do.
I eat gummy bears. I like gummy bears.
Here's what you get.
Locate the Puma. Now the Puma is the tank I was talking about.
I'm sure it was made out of gummy bears.
Yeah, would eat you.
Yeah, I know. I would eat me.
Come on, hit it. Ah! Now! Come on! Stupid EMP. Okay, now shoot it! Shoot it! Shoot it! We got it cool. Alright, we got it. Hold on. Stay alive. Okay, I'll hack the doors this time. I'm so happy that I'm a gummy bear. Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Gummy bear. Hold on, let me buy more ammo. Alright, let's go.
Yeah.
Leviathan!
Die.
Oh, that wasn't so bad. I expected more.
It's supposed to be all big and scary. Yeah.
Alright, watch out, turn.